Hi, welcome back to ModShapes. This is Alex Steele, and today we're making the Apple remote controller holder. There were a few on Thingiverse, but I didn't see anything that I really liked. So I decided to start with this apple from Poe, which is a pretty great, really nicely shaped apple. There was a few small details. I had to create the holes which the remote would fit into. The initial print that I tried with this kind of failed a little bit because there was a weak spot in the top portion. As you can see here, it kind of broke, but the solution was I beefed that up, and I used an application called Hexagon to beef it up. So the end result is a really nice strong point where this comes off the apple and you don't even need supports to print it, which is pretty terrific. It was achieved by just adding a little geometry in Hexagon, and then I finished things out in a program called Mesh Mixer, which allowed me to, solidify. So I did a few tests to make sure that the remotes would fit into the slot before I printed the whole thing, and the result is pretty exciting. I think it's pretty much done. I might hit it with a kit, maybe 1 or 2 coats of clear coat. But for the most part, this solves my problem of losing my Apple remotes on my beautiful coffee table, which happens to be the same color as the Apple remotes. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, here is Sam. Sam is a beautiful cat. Sam loves having more subscribers for this ModShapes channel. Meow, meow. Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the bell to be notified. Meow, meow. When new movies come out that we make. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day.